Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics 0580 1 to Feb March 2017. Let us go through IGCSE Mathematics paper 1 core 0580 paper 1 to Feb March 2017. Question number 1. Write down the difference in temperature between minus 4 degrees Celsius and minus 9 degrees Celsius. So temperature difference will be of 5 degrees Celsius will be the difference in temperature. Degrees Celsius is basically already written, so no need to write degrees Celsius, only 5 will be sufficient. Then shade 2 more squares so that this shape has rotational symmetry of order 2. So we'll be using tracing paper for this. We can place over here and we'll have to trace this provided drawing like this one. So we can trace like this. This one will be roughly tracing this, and we'll be taking this one as center. So if we rotate this one like this, so we can estimate this box and this box need to be shaded. So we can shade this box and this one. So these two boxes need to be shaded. In transformation questions and these type of questions, we can take help from tracing paper. Tracing paper is allowed in exam also. So this one is done. Find the value of under root 196. So root of 196 will be equal to 14 and 24 divided by 0.2 raised to the power 3. This will be equal to 3000. So answer will be here 3000. Then comes question number 4. A cuboid has dimensions 12 meter by 15 meter and by 20 meter. Volume is length into width into height. So this will be 12 into 15 into 20. This will be equal to 12 into 15 into 20. This will be equal to 3600 meter cube. So 3600 will be our answer. Question number 5. Calculate the mean of these 8 numbers. We'll have to add them. Sorry, this one 34 plus 38 plus 10 plus 87 plus 45 plus 28 plus 19 plus 23 and divided by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. So we can divide this by 8 and we can add all these values. 34 plus 38 plus 10 plus 87 plus 45 plus 28 plus 19 plus 23. This will be equal to 284. So 284 divided by 8. So divided by 8 will be equal to this will be 35.5. 35.5 will be mean. We can write here 35.5 as answer. Now question number 6. Write 62,000. Basically this is 629,000 in standard form. So we'll be writing decimal after 6 and 29 and how many digits on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 raised to the power 5. This will be our answer. Then write this an ordinary number. So this is minus 3. So decimal will be shifted to the left. 3 units left. So 1 is 8. 2 more zeros we will have to add. So that after decimal there will be 2 zeros. Then it will be 8 to 1. This is the number. Then question number 7. A circular plate has diameter of 27. Calculate the circumference. So pi d is circumference is equal to pi into d. This will be equal to 27 pi, and this will be equal to, we can write this one, this will be equal to how much? 27 multiplied by pi will be equal to 84.82. So our answer will be 84.8 centimeters. Without using your calculator and by rounding each number correct to one significant figure, estimate value of this one. So one significant figure will be, for this one will be 10, and for this one will be 20, because 19 will be rounded to 20, and divided by this will be 90, minus this will be 40. So we can round this, and this will be 10 and divided by 90 minus 40, and numerator is multiplied by 20. So answer will be 4. This will be equal to 4. So answer is 4. Factorize completely. So factorize completely mean you will be taking 5 as common. Maximum will have to take common. C also we can take common. So this will be 3c minus 1. So this one will be our answer. 5c into 3c minus 1. And then comes to question number 10. Find the highest common factor HCF of 36 and 63. So, highest common factor of 36. We can write common factors of 36 will be what? 1 and 2, and then 3 also, 4, and then 6, 9, then this will be, next will be 12, and then it will be 18, and last one will be 36, and 63. Factors of 63 will be 1, then 2, 3 also. This is not divisible by 2 basically, so we will have to exclude 2. So we can exclude 2, and it's divisible by 3. Then 4, 6. You can use even calculator if you want. Divisible by, it's not divisible by 4 because this is decimal value. Then it will be divisible by 5, 6, 7, 7. 9s are 63, so 7. 8. 8 is also not, it's not divisible by 8. Then 9 also, 9, it's dividing 9. Then 10, 11, 12. 12 is also not, 64 is not divisible by 12. And then 13 also, 63 is not divisible by 13. 14, it's not divisible by 14. 15, 16, we can check by 16. 17, it's not divisible by 17. And 18 also we can check, divided by 18. This is not divisible by 18. So 19, 20, 19, if we check, this is also not divisible by 19. If we check, this will be the maximum will be this one, basically 9. We can check for other factors also. We can write for 63 like 21, 2, 3, 4. We can check like 21 will be, it will be dividing 63 divisible by 21. This is divisible, so 3 we can write 21, but 21 is not included in 36, right? So bigger numbers are also not included, so we can write as 9 as HCF of this one. Now question number 11, for these numbers we have to find range, we have to find mode also. Range, you know, is maximum minus minimum, and maximum number is 9. 9 minus 1 will be 8, so we can write as 8. Write down the mode. Mode is most occurring. If we check 2, 1, 2 and 3 times, so 2 is the most occurring. Then question number 12, 1 euro is equal to this one, conversion ratio is given, and $1 is equal to 62 rupees. Change 400 euros into rupees using these exchange rates. So we will change 400 euros first into dollars. Euro into dollar is with this conversion ratio 1.09, and then dollars to rupees multiply by 62, and this will be equal to 400 multiplied by 1.09 and multiplied by 62. This will be equal to 27032. 27032. This will be our answer, and answer at proper place will be this one. Hopefully you are getting everything. Now question number 13. 62 is perpendicular, 13.8 is adjacent. Find the value of x. So this will be opposite. We can write this one sine, cos and tan. So opposite over adjacent will be tan. Tan x will be equal to 6.2 over 13.8, and x will be equal to tan inverse of 6.2 divided by 13.8. This will be calculated. So tan inverse of 6.2 divided by 13.8, this will be equal to 24.19, which is approximately equal to 24.2 degrees. This will be our answer. Now question number 14, the bar chart shows the number of students in each of the class A, B, C, D, and F they have shown. So E is missing. Write down how many more students there are in class D than in class B. So D is containing 24 and B is containing 15. So 24 minus 15 will be 9. 24 minus 15, this will be equal to 9. So this will be our answer as 9 students. The total number of students in these 6 classes is 117. Draw the bar for class E. So 117, we can check heights of each bar, and then we'll have to find the bar of height of E. A is up to 22. This is 22. B is 15. C is basically 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So C will be 19. D is 24. And F is 14. So we can add all these numbers and subtract from 117. So we can write 117 minus what? 22 plus 15 plus 19 plus 24 plus 14. These all numbers we'll have to subtract. So 117 minus this side will be 22 plus 15 plus 19 plus 24 plus 14, and this will be equal to 23. So height of the bar should be 23, and 23 mark is what? 23 mark. This is 20, 21, 22, 23 is up to this one. So we can draw height up to 23 like this one. Accurately you will have to draw, you will have to keep width according to these, and you can shade it also like this one. And neat and clean work you will have to do so that examiner will not be annoyed. Then write down the next term in each of these sequences. So this is we'll have to check the difference. 19 minus 4, 15 minus 4, 11 minus 4, then so subtracting 4, so this will be minus 1. Then this is plus 1 plus 3, or we can say 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and then will be 5 square. 5 square will be 25, and this is 3, then 5, then 9. We'll have to check the rule, how much is the, this is difference is 2, difference will be 4, 2, then 4, then this will be difference is 8, and this difference will be 33 minus 17. 33 minus 17 is equal to 16. So 2 double, like difference of 2, then 4, then 8, 16. Then this will be 32. This difference will be 32. 16 2s are 32. So 33 plus 32 will be equal to 65. So this number should be 65. Then comes question number 16. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Use the circle drawn below with its center marked to show this. We'll have to show basically diameter. We can draw diameter like this one, and we'll have to draw any triangle we can show like this one. So we can draw over here, and this will be 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, and we can show this one. This is one mark question. We'll have to just show this rule. So this is triangle in semicircle, which is right angle triangle. So you can draw any side, you can take anywhere this corner, all will be 90 degree. This is one mark question, so sufficient like this. Then the line AB is one side of an equilateral triangle ABC. Using a straight edge and compasses only, construct triangle ABC. So what we will be doing, we'll have to draw equilateral triangle. So we'll be using compass basically and straight edge to, so we'll be drawing 60 degree angle. How we'll draw, we can take like open like this one and make an arc from this point to this point like this one, and keep this distance, keep this compass as it is. I'll move this page a little above so that you can see properly. So this one, we have done this. Now the same width which we have made this arc, same width we are just placing a compass over here and making an arc. So this will be our 60 degree angle. We can keep on this side as well and make an arc. Arc will be starting from this point like this one, and similarly we can put over here and make an arc like this. We got 2 points. We'll have to draw lines passing through these points. These will be 60 degree angles. So we can draw like this one, and this side also we can cross like this. So this will be having 60 degree angles. So this is equilateral triangle. So This question is done. Then question number 17, without using your calculator, work out these fraction is given, so we will be changing into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3, and division, this will be 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2, and then we can change division into multiplication. This will be 10 by 3 multiplication 2 by 5, and we can cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. This will be 4 by 3, and 4 by 3 we can write in mixed fraction. This will be 1 whole 1 by 3. This will be our answer. So we can write 1 whole 1 by 3 as answer. It's very simple 3 marks question. So you should concentrate on fraction questions and these algebra questions like simplification and powers and those things. These are very easy questions. Just expand this one, question number 18. So expanding will be 20w plus 12 minus 2 into w will be minus 2w, minus 2 into minus 1 will be plus 2, and now we'll have to add like terms. This will be 20 minus 2 will be 18w and plus 14. So this will be our answer, 18w plus 14. Then simplification, this is power of power rule, so this will be 5 into 2 will be 10, so we can write w raised to the power 10. 1 mark question, so no need of any working. This is Kasani invested this much amount at a rate of this one per year compound interest. Calculate the total value of this investment at the end of 3 years. The answer should be provided in 2 decimal places. So amount will be equal to principal amount, which is 2400, into 1 plus rate, which is 7.5 over 100, and raised to the power duration, which is 3 years. So we can calculate this 2400 into 1 plus 7.5 divided by 100, and this one raised to the power 3. This will be equal to 2981.51. 2981.51. So we can write here answer at proper place, 2981.5. Basically they are saying 2 decimal place, so we can write 51 as well. We have to write. Then comes question number 20. Pie chart is given. Shows pie chart. The pie chart shows how Miranda spends her time yesterday. Work out how many hours she spent sleeping. So you will have to check this one, measurements of the pie chart. Basically we have to check the degrees, and we will have to move the page a little, and we will check this. So we'll check for the sleeping, how many angle is how much for sleeping. This will be 135 up to this one. So 135 is this angle, 135 degrees. So this measurement is 135 degrees. So we will be calculating this. So 24 hours, basically this is yesterday, 1 day pie chart. So 24 hours time is representing this pie chart. So we can write like 24 divided by 360. So 24 divided by 360 will be equal to how much? 24 divided by 360 will be equal to 1 over 15, and 1 over 15 multiplied by 135 degree, this will be equal to how much? Multiply by 135, this will be equal to 9 hours. So 9 hours will be the time which spent for on sleeping. So her time is 9 hours. Now question number 21, work out this matrix. We have to add 3 plus 1 will be 4, so we'll write here 4, minus 2 plus minus 1, so it will be minus 3. This will be our answer. B part, points A and B are marked on the grid. A is here, B is here. So BC is minus 4 and 0, minus 4 and 0. On the grid, plot the point C. On the grid, plot the point C. We have to plot this point. So if we plot this one, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 0 will be this point, and this will be C. And write AC as column vector. So A to C will be this one. C will be having coordinates like 3, and this will be having coordinates 3 and 5. We can write 3 and 5. A will be having coordinates as 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So this will be AC will be C minus this one. So AC column vector will be this one. So to calculate AC, we will be taking this one coordinates of C first. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 and 5 minus 8. So this will be our matrix. This will be 1 and minus 3. This will be our answer, 1 and minus 3. This will be our final answer. Now question number 22, we have to solve this algebraic equations which are given. 4x is equal to 10. So x will be equal to 10 by 4. So we can write x is equal to 10 over 4. And 10 over 4, you know, is 2.5. So we'll write here. Then we'll have to multiply this. This will be 5x plus 40 is equal to 75. So 5x will be equal to 75 minus 40. This is equal to 35. So x will be equal to 35 over 5, which is equal to 7. So answer will be 7. Similarly, this one, they are saying 3. Okay, so 3 raised to power, we can write 7 minus x is equal to 9. So we can write 9 as 3 squared. Bases are same, so we can leave these bases and we can write powers as equal. 7 minus x is equal to 2. So x we can shift to other side. So x will be equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So our answer will be 5. Then comes question number 23. Question 23 is a straight line graph. We find the equation of the line L, which is this one. So in form of y is equal to mx plus c, we'll have to check the y-intercept, which is 3. So we can write c value is equal to 3, and we can find the gradient as well. So to find the gradient of this, we can use this line, this. At least you have to use half of the line to find the gradient, and I will be shading the triangle which we are using for triangle purposes, for gradient purpose. So this will be the triangle, and rise is from this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So 6 m will be equal to rise over run, which is equal to 6, and divided by 1, 2, 3 units. So this will be equal to 2. We can use these two values and write y is equal to m, which is 2, x plus c, which is 3. So we can write 2x plus 3. Similarly, this one next is draw another straight line on the drawing to pass through this point and parallel to the line L. So passing through point -1 and 1. -1 and 1 will be this point. So 1 coordinate, this point is given. Second point we will find from this one, that straight line in the diagram passing through and parallel to the line L. So parallel to this line will be having same gradient, so m will be equal to 2. So 2 we can write 2 over 1, so rise over run. So from here rise will be 2 units and run will be 1 unit. This is parallel to this line, right? So yeah, we have done basically this small mistake because this right side is sloping downward, so this gradient will be negative, so this will be -2 and answer will be this one -2x plus 3, and this one also will take -2. So this point will be moving 2 units to the left because this is -2, so 1 and 2 and 1 unit up. So 1 unit up will be this one. So rise will be -2 units, which is -2 units will be rise, 1 and 2, and run will be 1. So this point we will reach. How we reach to this point? -2 from here will be y value, this -2, and 1 numerator is 1, so this side. So we got these 2 points and we'll be drawing line which will be parallel to this one, and this will be the line which is parallel to this given line. This is how we have drawn this one. So this is end of the paper. We have done this. So hopefully you enjoyed everything, you understood everything, and if you have not yet subscribed Maths TV, just subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon and introduce this channel to your friends and class fellows, and also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.